When the lightning writes your name on the window of the night, close your eyes just to see the glow. Buddha's eyes is soft and bright. Hush now, let the thunder read your name. Hush now, let the lightning clear the frame. Again, the bell asks us for a number and we give it a name. Again, we trade our names of saints for the names of lost streets. Remember the thunder is not only a violence, it is a language. And if we listen, we learn how to say our names back to the sky. Ride a Viet Buddha Storm, let the rain rewrite your name. Hear the bell, feel the boom, nothing ever quite the same. Ride a Viet Buddha Storm, let the thunder teach you how to mind. When the lightning cleans the rooftops, baby, we begin again. Hush now, let the thunder read your name. Hush now, let the lightning clear the frame. You can chase the siren shadow, or you can learn to wait. The storm will teach you patience, teach you how to love the wait. Hush now, let the thunder read your name. Hush now, let the lightning clear the frame. Again, the bell asks us for a number and we give a name. Again. When the lightning writes your name on the window of the night, close your eyes just to see the glow. Buddha's eyes is soft and bright. We trade the names of saints for the names of lost streets. Remember the thunder is not only violence, it is a language. And if we listen, we learn how to say our names back to the sky. Ride the Viet Buddha Storm, let the rain rewrite your name. Hear the bell, feel the ball, nothing ever quite the same. Ride the Viet Buddha Storm, let the thunder teach you how to burn. When the lightning cleans the rooftops, baby, we begin again. Hush now, let the thunder read your name. Hush now, let the lightning clear the frame. You can chase the siren shadow, or you can learn to wait. The storm will teach you patience, teach you how to love the wait. Hush now, let the thunder read your name. Hush now, let the lightning clear the frame. Hush now, let the thunder read your name. Hush now, let the lightning clear the frame. Hush now, let the thunder read your name. Hush now, let the lightning clear the frame. Again, the bell asks us for a number and we give it a name.